Here's a nice quick tips video. This one is called Seeing Stars, and we're going to create 2 or 3 different kinds of stars that you can use in your embellishments. You can use it on cards, you can use them for home decor. So let's get started with this project. Let's create a new one and just replace what we have. We're going to start off with a simple way. There are 2 different stars that we can play with here, so let's bring both of those in. There's the first one. There's the second one, and the other shape we're going to use today is the diamond. So we have 3 different shapes that we're going to work with. I'm just going to change the colors from black. Let's give it a nice gold color to give it a start. All right, let's begin with this basic big star. Let's just duplicate it and use the duplicate over here. Its width is 2 inches. I'm going to change it to 6 so that you can see what I am doing. I'm going to grab a copy of this one as well. And I am not going to adjust the size of this one, but I am going to change the color so that we can see it a little better. Let's make it orange. I am going to place this one here, and I'm just going to make it so it looks like it's going to fit here. I'm going to take the 2 of them, and I am going to align them center. As you can see, I've got a nice little star shape. Now I could flatten this. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group it. And I am going to duplicate it, and I'm going to move the duplicate out of the way. I'm going to take these 2 that we have here. I am going to slice them, and I am going to remove the centers. Perfect. I have a nice different design star right here, and I will just give it a different color so that we can differentiate what these are. Just give it a slight orange. Keep that over here. All right, I don't need these extra ones here right now. What we're going to do is do this in reverse. I'm going to take this one, so let's duplicate it. Let's make this a 6-inch one as well so we can see it. That looks great. I'm going to take this star now, and I am going to duplicate it. I'm going to change that color. Let's make it that orange again so we can see what we're doing here. I am going to drag this one down. And just to make sure that I have some extra room here, grab the 2 of those together. I'm going to align them center. And I don't like the way it comes up at the top, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to click on it and use my arrow key and bring it down so it looks pretty decent. Take the 2 of those together. I am going to group it. I'm going to duplicate it and move it out of the way. Take these 2 and I am going to slice it. And that will allow me to remove the centers. Now we have 2 different shaped stars that you can use. You can duplicate them and do different things with those, such as just changing the size of it this way or unlocking it and making it totally different any which way you want. So that gives us a couple of ways that we can make some stars. The last tip I'm going to give you here is this particular shape, which is a diamond. I am going to unlock it. I am going to make the width 2 so we can see it. I am going to make the height 6. That gives us a nice long shape that we can work with, and actually I might just change this to 1.5 to make it even narrower and lock it into place. Now I want to duplicate this. Just click on duplicate, and I am going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to take the 2 of these, and of course I'm going to align those center. And let's just move them over here so that we can see them. As you can see, you get a different shape. I am going to weld these together. So now I have a different shape altogether. So I've got another star. I'm going to duplicate that one. And I'm going to unlock it so that you can play with the different sizes or shapes, however you want that star to look. And that's all there is to making a variety of different stars that you can use in your home embellishments and decorations.